What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be doing another video. We're gonna be doing fresh apple pie. The ingredients you're gonna need are nutmeg, allspice, brown sugar, ground cinnamon, cornstarch, apples, and butter. After you get through peeling your apples, you make apple slices out of them. Then you boil them with the brown sugar, cinnamon, butter, nutmeg, and let it cook all the way through. So you add enough water just to cover it up. The apples. Now y'all already know, when I cook in the dining facility, I always make a huge quantity of food. So if y'all actually want a smaller portion, all you gotta do is send me a message on here and I give you the actual recipe for a small portion of apple pies. After you get the flour, the butter, and the sugar mixed together, we're gonna add some water to it to get a wet consistency to it. When you get through adding your water to it, it's gonna look like this, very, very wet, really, really wet dough. Then you're gonna knead it, the flour. Can you knead it one time for me? You're gonna knead it, flip it, incorporate flour into it, so we get a nice consistency like that. When you get through rolling it out, this is how thin you want it to be. It's less than a centimeter thick. After you get through rolling it out, flip your pan over on top of it, and you want to cut it not exactly on it, but a few inches out, a circle around it, so that you can get your pie formation. That's how big you want it to be around your pan. To get your pie crust up, you want to roll it evenly on both sides, thinly. Then it'll be easy to maneuver it. And then you want to put it in the center of your pie pan. Make sure you spray your pan down so it won't stick. Make sure you do the same thing for the top piece. Came over here to check on the apples. The apples are actually starting to look really good. First, you want to put your cornstarch inside of your apples. After that, you want to make sure you cook the bottom half of your pie first. When the pie crust is done on the bottom, then put your apples on top. After that, put your top half on top of the pie crust. Cook it in the oven on 350. Cook it for about a good 15-20 minutes till the top half gets done. When your pie is done, let it sit, cool, then serve.